Yo, West LA crew, it's your friendly neighborhood tech Sherpa, Daniel, back at it again. Today, we're diving into the digital maelstrom that is Google's Gemini Pro, the AI that's got everyone buzzing like a hive on Red Bull. But the big question on everyone's mind is, can this silicon savant actually replace the human experts who keep our world humming? Buckle up, because we're about to crack this code, bite by bite. Now, Gemini Pro's got some serious chops. It's aced benchmarks, written symphonies, and even diagnosed diseases, all with the processing power of a pocket calculator on rocket fuel. But let's not get starry-eyed. Experts aren't just walking encyclopedias. They're the alchemists who turn knowledge into solutions. They've got intuition, experience, that gut feeling that separates the good from the great. Take Dr. Reyes, the surgeon with eyes like a hawk and hands like a whisper. Can Gemini Pro mimic her years of honed skill, the split-second decisions that save lives? Or take Miguel, the architect who weaves steel and glass into dreams. Can an AI replicate his human touch, the understanding of light and shadow that makes a space sing? I don't think it's that simple. Sure, Gemini Pro might crunch numbers faster, churn out code like a caffeinated code monkey, but it lacks the human spark. It can't improvise, can't empathize, can't bridge the gap between cold logic and messy reality. But here's the twist. Instead of fearing robot overlords, maybe we should see Gemini Pro as an augmented reality for human expertise. Imagine surgeons using AI to map complex surgeries, architects visualizing blueprints in 3D, artists collaborating with AI to break creative boundaries. It's not about replacing, it's about amplifying. So, can Gemini Pro replace human experts? Nah, not in the Terminator sense. But what it can do is make us superhuman. It can free up our time for the things that truly matter. The creativity, the compassion, the messy, beautiful humanness that makes us, well, us. So, let's raise a virtual toast to the future, where humans and AI tango together, not in a battle royale, but in a symphony of innovation. Remember, West LA crew, the future is ours to code, and together, we can build something truly mind-blowing. Until next time, stay curious, stay awesome, and remember, the only expert you really need is the one in the mirror. Peace out.